Hey folks, Adam Roberts here. Today we're cooking up beef short rib pastrami on the Kamado Joe Series 2 Classic, thanks to Barbecues Galore. What I like to do is have a good relationship with a local butcher who can give me some of his corned beef brine solution, which is exactly what I use for my beef short rib pastrami. What I'll do is I'll brine the beef short ribs for around 2 to 3 days. Then I'll trim the excess fat off the top of the meat and then apply a very basic pepper-based rub. The brine itself will provide the salt, so just use a rub that's low on salt or maybe just some fresh cracked black pepper, maybe some smoked paprika and also garlic powder. We'll pop the ribs into the Kamado Joe and use both of the half moon deflector plates. This will give us an indirect heat, and then I'll also make sure it sits around that 300 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll let these ribs cook indirectly for about 4 to 5 hours, spritzing occasionally, and then take them off when the internal temp hits around 205 to 210 Fahrenheit. The best way to eat these are slicing them off the bone. I'll trim them up, pop them on some crusty rye with some French's mustard and some Polish sauerkraut. There you have it, a homemade Reuben sandwich. For more recipes, tips and tricks, check out barbecuesgalore.com.au.